Okay, so I felt like this 8, 9 problems were a little bit hard, and I wanted to do one for you. 9 is a little bit harder than 8, so I'm going to do 9. And it says that it wants to dilate FGHJ around F with a dilation of 4. All right, so F is going to stay where it is. Okay, so F prime would simply be at 0, -1. Now, the key here is to think about distance. So let's look at G. G is 1, 2, 3, 4 away. G is 4 away from the center of rotation, right, from F. Okay, if we multiply that by 4, we get 16. So needs to be 16 away after the dilation. So it would be out here, and we would go out to 16. Okay, so G prime, F prime is where it stays, 0, -1, and then G prime would be at 16, -1. Okay, so J is 2 away. And so if we multiply 2 by 4, we get 8 away. So here's F. We're going to count 8 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, so J is at -9. Whoops. Oops, I put F. J prime is at -9, 0. Whoops. How about 0, -9? 0, -9. All right, and now let's do H. So H is the hardest one, but not too bad. So H is 1, 2, 3, 4 away this way and 2 away that way. So if we multiply both of those by 4, this would become 16 away, and then 2 times 4 is 8. All right. My husband just called. So anyway, sorry about that. All right, so H is 4 this way. So 4 times 4 makes it 16. So if I put H prime, so I'm going to go out 16. And then if I go 8 down, it's already eight down would put me at -9. Because I'm at -1. And that's how you do those. I hope that helps.